Hey folks, interior is looking rather spanky, but I do kind of feel that I should maybe have a spacesuit on. I think a roof liner might be cheaper than a spacesuit, so let's do that today. So I can't install a traditional style suspended ceiling, and I'll show you why. This vehicle used to have wood round there, wood going across, and those suspended bars that you would have on the roof that you would attach a headliner to have got nothing to attach to, because any bars going across would attach to these wood panels that don't exist. As you can see, there's nothing there. There's nothing there to attach those bars to. And to go along with the rest of the vehicle's look, it doesn't need to be show car. So we are going to just stick something to this insulation. We did try this before. My wife made a really nice liner out of that material, but it just fell off. The glue would not stick. So let me show you how we're going to get around that little issue. Instead of the vinyl, I'm just going to use carpet. This is the same carpet that's on the floor. I did have it rolled out to try and get rid of these creases, but it's refusing to cooperate, so I'm just going to have to stick it on. Anyway, I'll be cutting this into two sections, one for the front, one for the rear section. And instead of that rubbish fabric spray-on glue, I'm going to be using this ultra robust, or if you're English speaking, heavy duty. And I just basically splosh that on with a brush. So, cut it into two sections and I'll stick it and trim it as we go. There's no point trying to do it all, no point trying to cut it all perfect size and shape, because guaranteed once you get to the edges it'll be too short, too long, wrong shape. So, big giant square at the front, big giant square at the back, glue the middle, squish it on, trim it as we go. This will be fun. I got my first section cut. It's going to roughly line up with this bit of duct tape. Not quite, but roughly. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put some glue along this edge and start there, work my way forward. I'm going to sit underneath so that if anything drips it falls on me and not the interior. See if I can open this without it going everywhere. There we go. Not sure if I'm going to have enough of this, but I should at least have enough to do the front section. Back in a sec. I'm going to take these headrests off. Just kind of in the way. Okay, we can continue. Might as well lie the carpet over the chairs for now, with the glue side up, so if anything falls on it, at least it's doing some sort of good. So far so good. Right, I need to hold this up while I put the rest of the glue on, or it will just fall off. Well, it'll fall off very slowly. We'll do a bit of trimming right now. Right, let's continue with the front section. Right, just need to measure and cut the rear section now, and I'll show you when it's all done. All done? Wanna see? Of course you do. So remember, we're not trying to win a Riddler award here. However, that actually turned out pretty nice, considering. So I've got a join along there, and obviously there's that one there. Slightly different shade, but I think it's just because the carpet's been brushed the wrong way. I don't mind. Front's quite nice. I'll probably paint this. I should have done it before, but I was too excited to get the ceiling on. But I'll probably paint this section when I paint this section and make it the same colour as the dash. So it's in the sun at the moment. We'll see if the heat makes it fall off, but I really don't think so. That stuff is hardcore. At least according to my lungs, it's hardcore. Excellent. What's next? Well, next was supposed to be soundproofing and the Buto stuff in the trunk. But I don't want to do that until I'm moving the fuel cap over. And the problem is the fuel cap stuff, it's quite expensive. We're talking a couple $100 to get all the parts that I need to make it look nice. So meanwhile, I've done this. Instead of the big ugly black fuel cap, I've now got a big silver ugly fuel cap. I know it looks like it sticks, well, it sticks out like a sore thumb at the moment, but in the sunlight it's not quite as bad. It's roughly the same sort of shade as that. Merges in, not too bad. Certainly a bit less hideous than the black one. And the reason that I'm not buying the fuel cap stuff at the moment is I need to buy new tyres. These are full sets, still running in snow tyres. And in 30 degrees temperatures, they don't last long. They're starting to squeal and go a little bit baldy, a bit like myself. So, safety first. I've got some car shows coming up. I want to be able to get there without having to call recovery. That's the plan. So that's me for today. I will check back in with you in the next video and see if the roof is falling off, but I think it'll be okay. That glue is pretty sticky. Now I need to go and clean it off with everything I've got it on. Right folks, take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.